Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring and Interiors here in Meridian, Idaho. Hey, I just wanted to tackle another question that we often hear each and every day. And we get asked about carpet, the difference between polyester and nylon. So that is a great question. And which is better? So it really depends, we feel, on what your specific needs are, and because basically the way we like to look at it is if they're both made well, because there are nylon carpets that are made poorly and there are polyester carpets that are made poorly. So we're making an assumption here that the ones we're looking at, they're both made well. Nylon is a little bit more resilient and tends to wear a little bit better. It does better in high traffic areas, stairs, hallways, things like that. Polyester, on the other hand, and especially if it's solution dyed, which means the color goes all the way through, is more stain resistant naturally. So that's kind of the big difference. In some ways, we kind of joke you kind of have to pick your poison. Are you wanting to be more stain resistant with a polyester, or if you're wanting to wear a little bit better with nylon? But that being said, for example, if you have a bunch of pets and you have 5-6 kids, you might want to consider doing a solution dyed polyester that's more stain resistant. Whereas if you're concerned about traffic areas and things, you might want to go with the nylon. But that being said, it just kind of depends on your personal needs and things that you need. Just keep in mind though that wear warranties on halls, stairs, and heavy traffic areas, if you read the nitty-gritty on warranties, they tend to be null and void in those areas. So that being said, that's something to keep in mind. It doesn't matter if it's nylon or polyester. It's just that's the way it is. So, but yeah, if you have any questions about this, I get asked about it every day, and definitely tackle it for you. But just keep in mind, polyester is more stain resistant. Nylon tends to wear a little bit better. So that's the biggest difference. And it's important to look at how they're made, whether they're made well, and things like that, because if a polyester is made really well, it'll do well and it'll perform well. Just like if a nylon's made well, it'll perform well and do well. If they're not, they both won't do well. So thanks for your time, and if you have any questions or you want me to elaborate on something further about this, please just comment below and I will answer any question you might have. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.